Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to save Instagram stories on your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. If you want to save your own story, open your active story, tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner, and select Save Photo or Save Video. If your story contains multiple photos or videos, you can also choose Save Story to save the entire story to your device. To automatically save future stories, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Activity, then tap Archiving and Downloading. Turn on Save Story to Gallery to automatically save every story you post to your Android device. If you're trying to save someone else's story, Instagram generally doesn't provide a download option. Instead, you can ask the person to send you the original photo or video if you have their permission. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to save Instagram stories on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.